oh, who braided your hair? It's a wig. Ever since I saw it on Instagram, I was like, oh my god, I just want to get my hands on it. And my hair is super fine to the point where if I were to wear braids, I will lose my edges, and I'm not needing leaks, so I'm not trying to go there. Too much stress on my natural hair. So I like the fact that this is a wig and I can style it however I want. I decided to search it on Etsy because, you know, on Etsy many people sell handmade items. I went on etsy.ca and I found this user. Her name is Enna Emporium. She's Nigerian. Of course, the best braiders are from back home. No offense. Actually, yes, offense. They're from back home, point blank. The name of this wig is called French Curl Braids Ombre Two-Tone. The hair on the lace was obviously a natural 1B. And this is knotless braids. It's natural, right? Oh my god, these braids are so beautiful. I'm fabulous. Like Queenie Amore. You see, these braids are tiny. Tiny, me say. You see these ends? Very well made. She didn't have the 6x13 option for the lace, but of course I really wanted a deep part. Sometimes want to rock the hair like this. Of course I contacted her and asked her if she can make the wig with 6x13, and she said yes. So of course, and she added onto the website for me. Under the wig you can choose your size, the color, whatnot, and she added a section for 6x13. So this is how it works. When you order from her, you will take her up to, I think, a month. Her communication is 100%. She replies pretty much right away. Again, she lives in Nigeria, obviously. So obviously I felt great about supporting as well. I love to support my people back home. I'm Ghanaian, but it doesn't matter. If she was a Ghanaian braider, I would support her too. Duh. I washed this wig as soon as I got it. I just dipped it in water and vinegar to remove that like braiding hair scent. I washed it twice after the vinegar bath and then just air dried it. It's summer, so it's, you know, it's quick. I mean, that's what's up. You see, it's super high quality. It's coming out curly right now, but of course this is French curl, so you can just brush the curl and roll it yourself by rolling, or you can just brush it out and have these bombshell curls. It is stunning. I love the color. I think it suits my skin tone, and it is super long. This is, I believe, 24 to 26 inches. This wig was $275 Canadian, and when I was receiving the hair, I did have to pay an import charge, $34 or so. So altogether I would say it's $300, shipping included, handling included, import charges. In a separate video I'm going to show you how I laid this wig on my head. I have a big old head. If you have a big head like me, you can request for a larger cap size. This is fitting on my head right now because actually when I received the wig, I noticed that the cap was too small because she used the default cap size because I didn't request for a bigger one, right? So what I had to do was I had to deattach the base of the wig from the actual lace. All I had to do was cut the seam, and then I had to use my own weaving cap that I'm used to. It's extra large size. It fits my head perfectly. Look how fresh this wig looks, and it's going to last me 2 years or more. I keep my wigs for a long time. Like, it looks like these braids are braided using my natural hair. Oh, the only thing is the lace did not come bleached, but she said she bleached it. When I asked her, I was like, oh, was the lace supposed to be bleached? And she's like, oh yeah, it's bleached. I'm like, bleached where? I can see the knots everywhere. I was wondering if I should bleach the knots. Of course, if I were to do that, it would look natural. But we all know when you bleach the knots, sometimes the bleach can seep through and bleach the hair that's coming out of the lace as well. And I didn't want to risk that with this wig. It's so perfect, I don't want to risk it. And also, I do have Grid Eraser by No Lace Canada, which I represent. I love that product. I showed you guys how to use it. So I can also use that knot concealer as well. It's just, if I were to use that product for this, I feel like by the time I use, because it's a 6x13, so it's like this entire area. So if I were to use that product, I feel like 1 tube won't be enough. I don't know. I've never tried it. 12 out of 10. This braids They're so well made, and it's heavy. It's quite heavy actually. And maintenance wise, I don't do anything. If I want to rock the bombshell curls, like I just run my fingers through. Look at these flirty curls, so pretty. Like, what? And you can part it however you want to part. Like I said, I like my side parts sometimes, you know, just so cute. Super cute. If you go on her Etsy, you can see her other items. She has like cornrow wigs, locks. I'm confident enough to say that she's extremely professional. I like it, and so far 100%. I love this wig. Best purchase all year, okay? So far so good. I've been getting so many compliments with this wig. Every time I wear it, people are like, oh, who braided your hair? Oh, it looks so nice on you. This is the first time I've seen you with braids. And I tell them, it's a wig. After this review, after I publish this, I'm going to give her 5 out of 5 stars easily, and give her a nice long review so other people can see how amazing she is and how professional she is. Look at this. Yeah. The fact that I can rock this anytime I want, and at night all I have to do is just wet the perimeter of my hairline and just take it off, and I feel 10 pounds lighter. So yeah, let me show you the back, because the back is where the party is. So this is the back. This is what the back looks like. And I'm 5'9" tall. It's all about the French tip. This is what it looks like. I also requested for baby hairs. If you don't want baby hairs, you can also tell her and she'll customize accordingly. 20 out of 10. Beautiful, drop dead gorgeous braids, child, with the curl tip. I look like a boss. But yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will surely see you in the next video. Bye. God bless.